Bonjour friends and happy French Friday to you. In last week's guest bedroom makeover video, I shared some DIY projects that I did, but I didn't share all of them, and I said that I would share the other ones with you this week. Before we get into the video, friends, I wanted to let you know first that today's video sponsor is by Temu. This first item I want to share with you today is this beautiful furniture applique. Ah, it's so gorgeous. I have some ideas for this, and I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful. When I get this project done, it'll be like a DIY project, so I'll have to share that with you later on when I go to do it. But I do have some inspiration pictures I want to share with you of my idea, what I would like to do with it. So here's the back side, and you would just simply glue it on to your wood piece of furniture or whatever you want to put it on or attach it to. I love this, and I cannot wait to use this for a DIY project. Now, I know some of you were wanting prices last time when Temu had sponsored a video of mine, but I'm not going to tell prices just because the prices will vary and if it's on sale or not, etc. Okay, so for what I would like to use the furniture applique for, it was inspired by these fireplace mantles, and so I would like to have my hubby, Mr. French Farmhouse, build me a fireplace mantle for the living room, and I already have a white little electric wood stove to go inside of it. So I think that would be so pretty for Christmas for the living room. And also, my friend and I are talking about doing a Christmas show, and my mom will be there to help us with the show. So I think that would be nice too, to be able to hang stockings and use it for the show, but also at Christmas time in our home as well. Okay, the next Temu item I want to share with you is this cute French bathroom sign. And I love anything in the French wording, as you know. And I already have a French bathroom sign in my bathroom here in California. So I think I'm going to take this one to France with me and hang it on the bathroom door in our property in France. The bathroom that we just renovated in France that I've shared with you before recently. So I think this will look really nice. It comes with this, I believe it's called jute rope, or maybe it's twine. I'm not sure, but it comes with it, so it's so nice that you can hang it with this. And I'm just going to tie a knot. And I was thinking about tying the knot in the front here, but I think I'm actually going to tie it in the back so you don't see the knot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And here's what it looks like all done. I think it's so cute, you guys. I love it, and I can't wait to hang it up in our bathroom in France. It'd be cute just hanging in the bathroom or even on the outside of the bathroom door, but I can't wait to hang that up next time we go to France. Okay, so for this next item, it is another furniture applique, and I can't wait to open this one up. I think you're going to like this one as well, and I am excited to use these appliques. Ooh, look how pretty it is. I love the flowers on here, and it looks like it has the bow like the other one. Ah, it's beautiful. It's a little smaller in size, and so this one will be so neat to use on something as well. And I'm not sure exactly yet what I'm going to use it on, but I will definitely be using it for sure. I love it. So, so pretty. I will share with you whatever I decide to do with it. I will share that project with you in the future, in a future video for sure. I actually think it's supposed to be flipped around this way with the bow on top. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to use both of these appliques. Let me know in the comments below, what would you do with the appliques? What project would you use them for? Let me know. Okay, these next two items that I want to share with you are metal tin signs. And I thought they'd be so pretty in the guest room at Christmas time because the colors will go so nicely in there. And I think the Santa one is so sweet. It has a hole, little tiny hole in the very bottom and on the top. So you could hang it really anywhere or attach it to something. But I think these would be really neat if you bought a bunch of them and put them on a large tree. It would just be beautiful. They also have it in the traditional Christmas colors as well. And then we have this hot chocolate sign. It says Mrs. Claus's Old Fashioned Hot Chocolate. And then it says fresh from the North Pole. It says add your own toppings. I think this is also very sweet, and it will probably go in the guest room as well. But how adorable would this hot chocolate sign be at a sitting or hanging right by a hot chocolate bar for Christmas? If you saw last week's video, you saw these beautiful flowers that I have in my guest bedroom, and these are from Temu, and I absolutely love these peonies. They're so pretty. Okay, this next item, I'm going to go ahead and open the bag up here so we can see it. I'm going to take it out of the bag and to get a better look at it here. I'm excited because I saw it, what it looks like online, but I can't wait to actually look at it in person and see these beautiful ruffles on this shower curtain. Yep, here are the ruffles. And it's hard for me to get it all on camera for you to see. So I think I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like hanging up in my bathroom. So let's go check it out. Okay, here it is in my bathroom. I've washed it and hung it to dry, but please excuse my 80s outdated bathroom. We have not renovated this bathroom yet, and that's in the future plans. But until I can renovate this and make this bathroom look the way I really want it to, I thought I would just dress it up and make it look really pretty for now. And this is the original paint color, this lavender color on the walls. And so I thought I would just go with it. Let's just go with the lavender theme. And I hung this lavender farm sign in here. I also added lavender in these rustic wooden buckets on either side of the bathtub. Hung the candelabra chandelier. Eventually I would love to have a clawfoot bathtub right here in this spot. It's funny because this is just a bathtub here. It's no shower, but when we moved in, they had left this shower rod hanging here. And so I thought I would just go ahead and use it and hang a pretty shower curtain on it. And I also sometimes will hang clothes on a hanger. I'll just hang them on this rod to air dry, so it actually works out nice for that. We do have a shower in the bathroom. It sounded like we don't have a shower at all in here, but we do. It's actually in the corner on the other side of the bathroom. I wanted to clarify that. So we do actually have a shower in here as well, but just not in this bathtub area. Since there is no shower right here, I just pulled the shower curtain back to one side with a ribbon, and I think it looks nice so that you can also see the chandelier and the other decor items that I have hung in this area. Okay, now I'm going to share the DIY projects with you that I didn't get to share with you in last week's video. First, I want to share these beautiful transfers. These transfers can be found on Temu's website, and they sent me these, and I want to share with you what I'm going to do with them. I have a few different little projects I will share with you, and here they are. They're so pretty. There's different ones on each page here. There are 6 pages total that comes in this set. Using transfers is really, really simple and easy to do. You just pull off the clear sheet away from the paper that it's attached to, and then you're ready to apply it to whatever surface you want to apply it to. And of course, if you don't want to apply the whole page to a surface, you can just cut out whatever size, whatever you want to use off of the design. And here are the tools that you can use to apply your transfers. So it comes with the tools that you need. It's so easy, so simple to do. I have this old book that I just folded it into a shape of a bird cage, and then I started to apply my transfers. I applied them on the flat part of the book here, the open part that you can see I'm doing right now. And then I'm also going to apply some of these on the actual bird cage part that I designed on the book itself with the book pages. And here it is all done. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you think. I also painted the nightstand and the wooden storage box that goes inside the nightstand in the guest bedroom. And I totally forgot to get before pictures or footage of the before I started painting those. I've had the nightstand for years, if you remember, in my Louisiana house, and I had painted it a French gray with gold accents, and now I've just painted it white, and I'm getting ready to put the transfers on. So here is what it looks like now, with the wooden box painted white and the nightstand, and then also adding those really pretty transfers on the front of this wooden storage box. I think it turned out really nice. And I want to thank Temu for sponsoring this video today. Don't forget to go check out their website and get their app so you can shop right on the app. They have so many items and at great prices too. We have so much wildlife here in the mountains of California on our property. I thought I would just catch some of that on video to share with you today, because there was two little fawns in our yard and I just had to catch it on camera this moment with these little adorable fawns for you to see. I hope that you've enjoyed the video today, my friends, and that you have a beautiful and blessed weekend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. And I'm trying to be a lot more active on Instagram, so I would really appreciate it if you would follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I will see you in the next one. Aviento.